Welcome to Legalese. I am currently logged in as Monish Rungta and I will create a new case. So I have pre-filled all this information with the case title being car accident and the relevant description. And as you can see, the case is created with a unique ID. When I click on expand, here comes the BLAW. The BLAW is an LLM powered virtual judge that will analyze the input and will provide his inputs. So as you can see, it has done analysis, and furthermore it has the capability to analyze the images and as well as the documents. So I will paste my query and I will also attach an image of this car and submit my query. So it will analyze both my query and as well as the image and see if the image really acts as a support for the evidence. Now I will copy this case ID and switch to new window where I am logged in as Rahul Singhania, who is the defendant in this case. I will join this case using case ID, and here I can see all the cases on my home page. I will expand this case, and as a defendant I will prove my innocence. Hey, this is completely false case against me. I was outside Gurugram on 30th of July. I will submit my query, and now the BLAW will analyze both the plaintiffs and as well as the defendant's point and will even provide the next course of action for both of them. So this is about Legalese. This platform is designed to tackle the challenges in the traditional court cases and make legal processes much more efficient, affordable and accessible to everyone. So thank you.